I see 3 birds out here in my backyard. Can someone leave a comment? Let me know if anyone know what these birds are. There are 3 of them. They look colorful. Look at that. Leave a comment. Let me know if you know what birds these 3 are. It's hard to see that one in the shade. They look really pretty. Look at that. The beaks are probably ivory, the color, almost like tan, but they are very colorful. I've tried to zoom as much as I can. See how far they are? So I'm zooming. I love birds. Three of them. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. Come back and watch more videos. But these birds are pretty, beautiful. They look pretty busy eating. Probably insects are out. They have plenty to eat. Thanks so much for watching. It would be nice to know what birds these are. If you are a bird expert, let me know. I like the way they walk. They have little ones that hop. Seems like they're scared of these 3 big ones here. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.